In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 10-Web vibe coding. With this tool, you can provide your clients with an experience to build websites with vibe coding within WordPress ecosystem. This is first AI native front-end builder with full WordPress backend integration. Now let's create our first website. This is my prompt. I want to create a modern website for a Japanese restaurant. Here I also mentioned the styling elements that I want and also tone and UX. The more description you provide to AI, the better it will be able to generate your website. Let's start. At this stage, AI is using my initial description to enhance it. With this, AI will have a better understanding of what I'm trying to create. Now it's going to use this enhanced description to generate my outline. As you can see here, it's generating a home page and 3 additional pages, such as menu, gallery, and contact. With this outline editor, you can add different sections, and also you can change the section prompts, add more details, or change it completely. I want to add a few sections, so I click on plus. First, I want to have a testimonial section, and let's add a FAQ. Also, maybe a blog section. Great. Now let's generate our website. First, I need to sign up, so let's do that. Right now, it is installing my WordPress backend and preparing the builder environment where my website is going to be generated. The overall process of website building usually takes from 2 to 3 minutes. So while we wait, let's go over the chat process. So here's my original prompt. Here are the core features that AI is going to build, such as hero sections, the signature dish grid, menu, the FAQ section, and testimonials. Below you can see the design elements, so basically the color palette, typography, the layout, visual elements, and here you can see the action that AI is currently doing. Let's wait for my website. The generation is ready. Let's preview our website. So here's my hero page, a signature dish, story, our menu, reserve table, here's a testimony section, FAQ, and also a blog section with really cool animation. Let's go over the editing options that you have. So obviously you can edit through chat. So let's say I want to add a few more testimonials. After my prompt, AI here summarizes basically what I want to have, and then it breaks down into multiple actions that it is currently doing. Okay, it's ready. As you can see, here are my new testimonials. Next, let's add a title to this section. Add a title to my testimonial section. Great. If you click on code div, you can see the modification that it made to code. Here are the new sections. Okay, let's go to preview. Besides the chat option, I can also use a screenshot to add new section to my website. So now let's try that. Add this section from the screenshot with my website content. Great. Okay. And here is my new section. Now let's try to add a React code so it will also make that section. Let's use this newsletter section. Okay, React. Copy the code, add this section, paste the code, and let's wait. Here is my newsletter section. Besides chat-based editing, you can also use a voice control here. And for quick edits, you can click on edit and make text changes. So like this, save changes. Here we go. As you can see here, AI creates these modifications. So basically you can quickly restore the previous version if you didn't like what it created. You can also view the history from here and restore whichever version you want. Now let's look at our blog section. AI generated these 4 blog posts. I can click and view these blogs. And if I want to make some modifications for my blog content, I can click here. It will take me to WordPress Gutenberg editor where I can change the content of my blogs. Great. Let's go back to homepage. You will also have a mobile responsive version. And from here you can jump to different pages and start editing. Now let's publish our website. Great, it published to the TimeWeb subdomain, which you can change and connect your own domain. Now let's preview the final changes. Here we go. You will see here there is also a reserve table option. So let's try to submit this form. Let's see where my submission goes. When I click to this form submission section, it will take me to the WordPress admin where we created this submission section and see all my submissions in here. Great. Now let's go to project settings. So here is the dashboard where you actually manage the generated website. So you can see here the subdomain that I mentioned, and you can add your own domain from here. You can see the backups and manage your website. We are constantly improving our vibe coding. You can actually access our public roadmap where we write all the upcoming updates, such as, for example, WooCommerce integration. With this, you will be able to create e-commerce website with vibe coding, which also will include TimeWeb payments powered by Stripe, so you can have a fully functional store with vibe coding. The upcoming changes, you will also have a Figma support where you can add public Figma links and our AI will generate from those inputs. You can also use different websites URL to generate different pages. You can use this public roadmap to always be up to date to all the new changes that we're bringing to vibe coding.